Hello everyone. Let's take a detailed look at how to operate and adjust the MATRIXING Pro Dual Pulse MIG Welder. Gas MIG welding mode. Turn the left encoder to switch to MIG DC mode. Then select steel 100% carbon dioxide mode. Use the parameter selection button to set parameters in order, including inductance, wire diameter, welding technique, post gas, slow wire feeding. Use the left and right encoder knobs to adjust current and voltage based on material thickness. Now we are ready to weld with a stable welding technique and proper torch movement. You can achieve a beautiful and strong weld bead. You can also switch to MIG pulse mode. Select the steel mixed gas mode. Set the relevant welding parameters, or enter dual pulse mode. Choose steel mixed gas mode, and fine-tune the parameters accordingly. Long press the parameter selection button to enter the ADV interface for more precise adjustments. Once everything is set, you can begin welding. To store parameters, long press the right encoder knob to enter the channel storage interface, where you can save up to 20 sets of parameters. Select the desired channel to overwrite and save. To recall saved parameters, long press the right encoder again to enter the storage menu. Select the desired channel, and press the left encoder to load the parameters. Pulsed MIG aluminum welding mode. Turn the left encoder to switch to MIG pulse mode. Then select aluminum silicon mode. Use the parameter selection button to set inductance, wire diameter, welding technique, post gas, slow wire feeding. Adjust current and voltage using the encoder knobs based on material thickness. With a steady hand and smooth motion, you'll achieve clean, strong aluminum welds. Spool gun MIG welding mode. Switch to MIG DC mode. Select spool gun mode. Set all parameters as needed. Inductance, wire diameter, welding technique, post gas, slow wire feeding. Adjust current and voltage as per your material. Begin welding with steady technique to achieve clean and strong welds. Flux scored MIG welding mode. Turn the knob to MIG DC mode, then select flux cord mode. Use the parameter selection button to set inductance, wire diameter, welding method, and slow wire feeding. Adjust the current and voltage based on material thickness. Start welding with a steady technique. Afterward, remove the slag and brush clean. This will result in neat and strong welds. Stick welding mode. Switch to MM mode using the left encoder. Use the parameter selection button to set arc starting current, arc starting time, and arc force. The VRD function is also available for enhanced safety. Adjust the current with the right encoder knob. Begin welding with stable motion. Remove slag and clean the surface to achieve high-strength welds. Lift TIG welding mode. Turn the left encoder to lift TIG mode. Use the right encoder to set the proper current. Begin welding with steady movement. This mode also allows you to create clean and durable welds. This concludes the operational guide for the MIG-205DP Pro Dual Pulse MIG Welder.